Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Light to moderate thunderstorm activity was experienced by many places over North Goa and South Goa districts in the morning of 7th May. From the remote sensing observations of IMD Goa, we can see that parts of Satari Taluka, Sangin Taluka, Dharbandora, then Ponda, Tiswadi, Salsi, all these talukas experience light to moderate rainfall activity accompanied with lightning, and some places must have also experienced winds of speed 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. And if we observe, is that there were a lot of thunderstorm clouds which developed over interior Karnataka in the early morning of 7th by around 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. and they moved westwards, crossed over to Goa and resulted in rainfall over Goa. If we consider the significant weather systems that can impact or that can affect the rainfall activity over Goa, on today there are two such systems. One thing is called a circulation, which is over north interior Karnataka, and then there is another system called a trough, which is running from the earlier mentioned circulation to Kerala. So these systems are going to enhance the moisture incursion at different levels of atmosphere over Goa, and along with that along with that, the thermodynamical properties of atmosphere over Goa, that is also favoring thunderstorm cloud formation. So this system's effect and the thermodynamical property of atmosphere, it is going to persist the rainfall activity over Goa for about 2 more days. But it's already forecasted by IMD that the first 2 weeks of May, Goa is going to receive rainfall activity. The intensity and distribution may vary based on the similar systems which may form in the coming days. But the rainfall activity, as mentioned, is going to continue for the first 2 weeks.